Leo, this is your reading for this month. We will get messages from your person and let's see what can you expect. This reading is for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Not Known. Let's see those messages. I want you physically and emotionally. Okay, stop blaming me. I love another. Leo, I'm getting some misunderstanding here. I'm getting a lot of arguments. I wasn't ready for you. Can we start over? We have 10 days. Thank you. Please stay. I feel the distance between us. I don't feel the connection anymore. Leo, I'm getting you could be dealing with someone who was very attracted towards you sexually and you could have blamed them that they are into you because of sex only and they are not emotional for you. Clearly, I see that this person did not put any effort on this relationship and I'm also getting here something is going to happen this month. I like to see your pictures at nights. Okay. At the bottom we have you give me hope. Okay. So I'm getting this person was going through something. They could be going through a breakup when you met them or they were in a toxic relationship. Whatever it is, they were very hurt. And they were in love with someone else when you guys met. It could have started as a friendship between you guys, but here I feel Virgo, you helped them to move on in their life. You helped them to heal. But the thing is, they fell in love with you. I'm also getting you two got emotional for them, but I'm getting a vibe here that they were the one who wanted to have this relationship. They did not wait. They should have waited for the right time. That's what I'm getting here because they still needed healing, but they did not wait and they were not ready that time. Maybe they were very attracted towards you and they just wanted to be in a relationship with you. They wanted to have you, but here I feel, Virgo, that things could have started very fast between you guys and ended very fast. And I also feel that you suffered a lot because of them because they hurt you and they were not ready for you. They are aware that you have helped them a lot, that you helped them to heal, but at this time I feel you are not talking to them at all. You could have ghosted this person or you could have blocked them, but I feel you guys are not talking at all and they are not feeling the connection anymore. They are feeling the distance between you guys. And when it comes to their feelings, they are very much in their feelings. They are regretting over their decision. They are aware of what they have done to you and they are aware that they have hurt you. They do want to have a new beginning with you. There could be a physical distance between you guys, that you changed a location. For others of you, I'm getting that you are very unemotional for them at this time. At least you are not showing it to them. You are not expressing your emotions at all. They want you to stay though. I'm also getting that could be possible that they were the one who walked away from this relationship because of some drama or argument. They could be feeling that you are blaming them. I'm also getting, Virgo, for someone specific, that you have felt used, that they are just using you to heal from another situation or they are using you just for sex. But I feel you were not wrong completely. At the same time, they did have emotions for you, they still have emotions for you, but they just not was ready for you that time. The timing was not right. At this time I feel if they can, they are watching your social media. If you haven't blocked them, they are looking at your pictures, or could be possible that you have sent your pictures to them, so they are looking at those pictures. They like to see your pictures at night. That's what I'm getting here. They miss you. They want to have a new start with you. If they used some harsh words in an argument, they are regretting that and they are going to apologize for that. That's what I'm getting here. At least they want to, but something is going to happen this month, Virgo. Sorry, Leo. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Could be possible that they are going to reach out in 10 days. We have 10 days here. But yes, they do want to have a new start with you. And they are grateful whatever you have done for them. They know your love was selfless and they did not treat you well, but at this time they want you physically and emotionally. This is not only passion at this time, but emotionally too. They are very attached to you now, Leo. Okay, they are afraid. Virgo got the same message. They are single. So if you felt that they got involved with someone else or they were in a third party situation, they are single now, Virgo. Sorry, Leo. I don't know why I'm saying Virgo. Could be dealing with a Virgo, or you could be having Virgo in your chart. They come to you for healing. Yes, that's what I was getting. They came to you for healing. You did help them to heal from a certain situation. They were carrying a lot of baggage from their past relationship. That's what I'm getting here. They were not ready that time, Leo. Timing was not right. And they seek stability with you. At this time, they want to have something stable with you. And if they are going to approach you, just know they will be single. But they are afraid to approach you. They are guilty. They are also ashamed because they are aware that they did make you feel used. They like your attention and they are going to reach out because they want your attention. Again, we have they seek stability with you. So yes, they are going to approach you. I'm also getting they could have walked away from this connection by saying that they are still in love with their ex. But I feel this is not the case at this time. I feel they are very much in their feelings for you at present and they are going to approach you. They are also going to beg you, I feel, to stay because they don't want to lose you. I'm also getting Leo, for very some of you, this person is your soulmate. For others of you, I'm getting, if you believe that term, could be your twin flame as well. But I'm seeing union here, to be very honest, but this is going to take some time. We have pride. They have a lot of pride and you have been very patient with them, but I feel they have to swallow their pride to reach out to you. Even if they were wrong, they still need to swallow their pride to reach out to you or to make a first move towards you. Yes, wish fulfillment, but they are going to reach out, Leo. Your wish is going to be fulfilled and they are wishing to be with you again. Ring proposal. Okay, so could be possible they are going to propose you, Leo, or someone could be married here. They are going to talk about it, but definitely I say at this time they are single. They are going to come towards you as a single person. And gossip, and here we have emotional distance. Yes, this is an emotional distance. They are feeling the distance between you guys because you guys are not talking, and I'm seeing commitment issues, I'm seeing communication issues. At the bottom we have don't wait. The spirit is asking you, don't wait for this person, and or you don't have to wait anymore for this person because they are going to take action towards you. But yes, Leo, you have been hurt. They have hurt you. Someone here is very hurt, and at this time they are very much in pain, but they are going to reach out. They will also talk about a gossip. I'm getting outside influences here. Someone could have believed the other person and that created this mess, I feel. If you are wishing to talk to them again, yes, they are going to approach you, Leo. Clear your mind. Someone here is very confused, very uncertain about the situation. Karmic partnership. It could be your karmic soulmate, or they could be with their karmic when they met you, or they are getting out of that relationship now and they are going to approach you. Accept the situation. At the bottom we call him the old days. So yes, they are missing you and they are missing the old times, Leo. They are going to approach you. At this time they are thinking about you a lot. If you miss them out of nowhere, just know they are thinking about you. They are thinking about you obsessively and they are very much in pain. They are praying to be with you again. I do feel this is not done yet. They are going to approach you. You still have some karma left with this person. So I hope it helped, Leo. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.